Hey, let me show you 4 media controls that you can use on the AirPods for touch sensors. So it works the same for the left and the right one. It doesn't matter which one you're gonna use. First of all, for the single tap, like that. By the way, we have to cover the proximity sensor, and now when I single tap, I'm gonna play music. When I'm gonna single tap again, I'm gonna pause it. If I'm gonna quickly double tap, I'm gonna turn next song, but only if the song is playing. If I'm gonna quickly tap on the 3 times, I'm gonna turn previous song or start from the beginning. There we go. Take a look. So as you can see, that's how it works. This is like 4 controls of the media that you can use on the AirPods 4. Unfortunately, you cannot change the volume. That will be all. Thanks for watching.